meron na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin yung viewer guys. Kukuha tayo ng 20 cards guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ngayon guys, yung spectator, kukuha ng isang bra dito guys. Six of clubs guys, yung bra ng spectator. Patin natin guys. Ngayon guys, yung spectator pipili dyan sa isang files. Pipili ng isang files guys. Tapos yung top card niya bubuksan natin. Sample itong napili niya guys. Four of Hearts. Yung card niya guys nasa 14th position guys. 14th position yung card niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Ito yung pang 14 guys. Ito na yung 6 of clubs guys. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.